I am joining in for an awesome challenge today. I am late putting it up like usual, but I'm still putting it up. And here is our wonderful hostess. She is a wonderful channel, and if you want to see some great displays, great crafts, and great DIYs, this is a channel for you. So sweet. Check her out. And just look what she did for this challenge. As you can see, I'm going to be about 18 hours late putting my video up. And she got hers with the red, white, and blue theme with nautical. Oh, doesn't it look beautiful? I loved it. And let's see what her co-hostess did. And here is the co-hostess. Oh yes, Simply Becky DIY, another awesome channel. Now you guys all know I'm not a big DIYer, so don't laugh when you see what I call a DIY. But these girls do know how to do it, and they are awesome. And my daughter put a challenge up on this too, so make sure to go over to our second channel, Blossom Your Creativity, and see what she did. I'm sure she did some great DIYs. But like I said, the hostess and the co-hostess are awesome channels. They come up with great DIY projects, and just wait until you see what they did on these projects. They will inspire you to get busy and start getting some DIYs done. Now, they inspired me a lot, so I may do a couple for next year. I do need to start doing a few more DIY projects. My daughter is constantly yelling at me. I need to step up my game. And these two creators are the ones to show you how to do it. Make sure to check them both out. Check out the playlist and see what everyone did. Everyone did an awesome good job. You're going to be amazed at how beautiful everything looked. First, we're going to put ourselves a flower arrangement together for our display for today, and this is how we're going to start it. I got a collection of different things from different places. I got these flowers from Walmart. I think I paid about $4 for them. They're pretty full. They have ferns in them, and I like the red, white, and blue theme, and the blue white check and the roses and stuff. I thought it looked really pretty. So that's where we're going to start. And then I got this from Dollar Tree. These were bought earlier, and this will be our craft thing to actually do something to extend these little whirlies, for they can stand here in this container and you can be able to see them better. So, oh, and then I got these for I think $4 also at Walmart. So 2 of the bunches are from Walmart, the rest is from Dollar Tree. I bought this vase, I'm going to say Home Goods. I really can't remember where I bought it now. Had it a little while, not very much longer. And of course, you know, Grandma's really into fairies and whimsy, and we're also going to do a few other things to put this together. So you know how crazy Grandma is. So let's get busy. Ta-da! Here's my flower arrangement. What do you think? I thought it turned out pretty good. Adding those little extra sticks at the bottom gave those little whirlies enough height to stand up and gave enough support. Well, I'm not done yet. I just wanted to show you what I did. So we had one whirly here, one whirly here, and then of course the big one on top. And of course one flower arrangement from Walmart, and then I had the little red, white, and silver to give a little more jazzy thing. Now we're still not done. Remember, this is a vignette. You know, we buy a lot of stuff from Annalie, and this is something my daughter just bought, and I borrowed it already. I'm going to have to do a quick display with it and give it to her. But isn't it cute? Well, you know what's inside that bag? Hold your breath. Wait until you see. You're going to be amazed what's inside. Isn't this tablecloth so cute? It's got ants all over it. The ants wanted to be invited to the barbecue. I just thought it was so cute. I couldn't wait to share it with you. Well, this is just one more thing. Now this I borrowed, so I didn't pay any money for this. We're working right along on our centerpiece, as you can see. The flowers are all done and our fairy wings are in place. Didn't they turn out cute for the 4th of July? I thought they did. And I had a blue and white placemat. Now we're going to start building on our tray. Ta-da! It's finally done, and we added our fairy magic to it, as you can see. And of course, the gnomes with their red, white, and blue caps and outfits. Oh, don't they look cute? So, this was pretty good, I thought. What did you think? You know, Grandma's always looking for something to do and add to what she's got. Oh my, I thought it turned out super cute. I got these gnomes over at Dollar Tree for $1.25 a piece. I got the little table sparklers for another $1.25. So that was $3.75 and $2.50. And it's a little over $5 and $8. So this total setup was under $20, I think. Some of the stuff I already had. The moss, the tray. I already wrote off the beautiful red mushroom already in a past post. I borrowed the tablecloth from my daughter, and the placemat I already had also. So we spent under 20. We did spend quite a little bit for it, I guess. But is it not fabulous, guys? I thought it turned out so good for the 4th. A great display. You could put it out in the bar, out in the patio. You could put it on the table, the buffet table. And the great thing about it is most of it's sitting right on that tray, and you can just move the tray to another place. What do you think? I think it turned out fabulous. Let me know. Leave me a comment. Sorry I was a day late. I'm always late for everything. But I thought it turned out fabulous. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you all for all your love and support. I'm so glad you enjoyed what we did today for this tiered tray. Oh, not tiered tray. It is a vignette to be moved wherever you need it moved, whatever you want. You could also break this down into more than one display. You could just put the flowers by themselves any place you want. You could take the tray and put it any place you want to. You could even hang the butterfly wings from the trees. You could break this down into 3 different posts. And maybe what Grandma should do is show you how that could work. But that'll be another post. I'm pretty sure we could put those butterfly wings or fairy wings in the trees. Can't wait to share you how we can decorate the garden with them. Thank you so much, my awesome friends, for stopping by. If you're not already following, please think about it. Please give me a thumbs up. And thank you for all your love and support. Really, really do appreciate it.